Hey, again, uh, this is the same day, and I still got my stuff on. It was a few minutes ago. I just got through with the other video, so I didn't change clothes. I just started this up. I like to watch. What's his name? Oh, Cog Hill Farm. And the reason I like to watch that one is that they treat their animals like humans and their family. They love their animals and they treat them like their family. I would too if I had a farm and a bunch of animals. But they've got two emus, a pond full of geese. Their daughter has silkies and black chickens. Even their tongue is black. The whole chicken was black. They got a name for it, but I can't remember it right now. And she's married to Carl, is their daughter, Brooke and Jason's daughter. And she's interested in home pigeons, and she used to be called the Chicken Master. And if you watch their videos, you'll see her and on the podcast with her and her mama and dad. And they were living on a 7-acre lot farm, but they needed more room so they could get their more animals, rescued animals mostly. And I watch it all the time because they treat their animals like they ought to be treated. And I just wanted to tell you that. And if y'all want to, y'all can go to Cog Hill Farm and watch their videos. I love to watch them because, like I said, they treat the animals, like they were family. There's Peaches. That's their pet for a long time. They got on, Cog Hill 40 now. Instead of 7 acres, they got 40 acres. And they got a lot of room to put Moody and what's that cow's name? Mildred. Moody and Mildred. Moody is a big steer, and Mildred is a little cow. But they got them in a pasture by themselves, way about 10 acres, I guess, 5-10 acres. And then they got goats and emus, and then they got the geese, and like I said, a bunch of, Mary Carl's got a bunch of homing pigeons, and I love to watch them. So if y'all wondered, had never seen them before, go to Cog Hill Farm and you can watch them. Brooke and Jason and Mary Carl, and they just moved to this new acres and got a lot of more animals. So if you want to, you can look them up and watch them like I do. I enjoy it. So if y'all enjoy this video, come back, you hear? Bye.